In this quaint neighborhood in the Selwood area of southeast Portland is the Portland Puppet Museum. It is owned and operated by Stephen Overton.
I am a master puppeteer, one of a handful in the United States.
And as such, Overton is trained to work in all medias of puppetry. Perfect for running a museum that is home to 2,700 puppets.
This museum is dedicated to the history of puppetry worldwide, how we are still using puppetry today in movies and on television and live stage, and we also perform here and teach workshops.
Overton has personally built 3,000 puppets in his career, which makes him supremely suited to give puppet-making workshops here. Sit, beg, play dead, roll over. No, you can't roll over. Oh,
yay!
That's great.
We are creating the illusion of life out of an inanimate object.
Puppetry began in ancient Egypt around 4000 BC. The Portland Puppet Museum is not just a place to look at puppets, it is also a performance venue.
Of course I can, and I can really want to if you pay attention to what you're doing.
There is an outdoor theater that can seat up to 75 people for performances for all ages. But, spoiler alert, it rains in Portland. So they have an indoor performance area that seats up to 30. And lest you think that puppetry is a dying art form,
you can't watch any of the fantasy films, whether it's a werewolf, whether it's a dragon, whether it's a hippogriff, whether it's a giant spider out of Harry Potter, without seeing puppetry, because we cannot be replaced with a computer right at this point in time. We use computer to enhance puppetry.
That's called job security. And I see you're wearing a leather jacket.
That's right, trending, styling, right? Got my Frank Sinatra hat.
Overton is a master puppeteer. I am not.
Now, hold this and jump it way up high, like that. There you go. It's on his back feet now.
Like this?
Uh-huh.
It's not as easy as it looks. I guess I need to take a workshop here. The Portland Puppet Museum has a YouTube channel where they show some of their performances, as well as a full-length puppet feature film they produced.
Told you for the last time to stay out of those woods and away from that cottage.
I don't have to.
In Portland, surrounded by puppets of every shape and kind, this is Dave Jones for Destination Oregon.